we've got some interesting news as to how we've modified our model as well to be more in line with others in the market. Of course, we know it's a very price-driven sector at the moment because of the obvious challenges that every single company is facing, and so we've sort of streamlined our pricing a little bit to be much more attractive. We've built in a huge amount of functionality into the interface, which comes with the platform as well. And we'll talk about AI shortly as well, but following our acquisition of an AI company, we've also put in some AI functions into that interface. So essentially what you're getting is a completely streamlined media-focused cloud storage platform that can do a lot more. And I think based on what I said when I started, that a lot of companies do, or most companies do, or will be using cloud, adopting cloud in some way. It's all about finding the right platform.
For example, yeah. And what that really essentially does is, by focusing on the real practical examples and the real practical workflows that organizations get bogged down in and lose time to, organizations are processing material faster, they're making more money faster, and the people on the ground have more room to do what they got into media to do, which is either be creative or to focus on the core part of their job, as opposed to constantly managing a spreadsheet based on have we created 700 VOD assets, and have we replaced the texted Brazilian with the texted Portuguese, or whatever the example might be. So realistically, look, AI is in its infancy. It's developed a lot, it's grown a lot. I think what we can really claim to say is, come to us with your problem and we will give you a solution, and that solution will be grounded in some sort of automated fact based around what AI is capable of today. And that really can be transformative, not because there's some sort of magic brain that's doing the thinking for you, but because your human brains are free to do what they need to be doing, as opposed to doing something that frankly they're way overqualified for.